Satyendra Singh Raghuvanshi. I'm from NRSC Hyderabad, and we are using this drone for remote sensing application. So for that purpose, I came for training of drone pilot license. The experience was very good. All the 5 days, the management have taken care all the activities very timely and in very management way. And this second like last 2 days, that flying experience is very wonderful, and we enjoyed it. And also we learn many practical things over the drone control and the movements.
I am Srikanth Paramatmani. I am an IT professional of 20 years of experience. I've been morely into the e-governance vertical, initiating a lot of innovative technologies. When I've been searching for cutting edge technologies, I came to know drone is an attractive area where I interested to get into this. When I've been surfing about this, I came to know Drone Academy of Telangana, which was enterprise of government of Telangana, which seems to be good in the sector. Then I got the admission into it. When I joined, it's a 5 days of course, and we also explored the faculty and the instructors and the management are very good, and we got more. And actually we actually I am intended to get into the application side, so they also supported me in that parameter. They given a lot of applications like using for the agriculture purpose, using for the mining purpose, and using for the surveillance purpose and survey purpose. So we also able to know, we are able to know many dynamics and applications of the drone utilization.